Hey everybody. So we all know about ookla, speed test. I mean, if you don't, you should know speed test is a really common app and common site people go to test their speed of their internet to kind of give them an idea whether their speed's slow or fast or just average and let them know how good their internet is working. But did you know there's a lot of other factors that go into your internet speed just besides the speed itself? What about the reliability over time? What about does it stay constant all the time? Now, there's a new app called Orb from the co-founder, one of the original founders of ookla speed test, that he's made a new one that actually gives you a lot more information. So let's go ahead and talk about that app and talk about what it actually does. So Orb right here is the app. It's going to test responsiveness, reliability, and speed. And we're going to talk about what those three things mean here later on in this article. But since it launched 20 years ago, speed test has been obviously one of the most popular tools. So Doug Suttles, the founder and former CEO of ookla, the network testing company behind speed test, felt that just measuring speed was not enough to tell people all they wanted to know about their internet connection. So that's why he launched a new tool called Orb. It measures latency, packet loss, jitters, and speed to give you a measure of how stable your internet connection really is. Now, if you started Orb with ookla in 2023, speedtest.net was the right tool for the internet at its time. But as the internet speeds became less of an issue around the world, he felt people needed new, more holistic ways of assessing their internet connection. Speed tests are like dipsticks in a car, is what he said. And, it's like checking your oil. Your car's going to tell you you're low on oil. I didn't really like that analogy, to be honest. But this is a picture of what the app looks like, and I want you guys to let me know down below in the comment section of this video. Let me know if you've used this app, and let me know how it's done for you. What do you think? And so that we can all have a conversation whether this is really anything great, a good thing, a bad thing, or whether or not it's just anything really at all. Orb checks network connections for three key variables: responsiveness, which is measured by a combination of lag, jitter, latency, and packet loss, and reliability, which measures the responsiveness over time and packet loss over time, and speed, which is your usual download and upload speed. All these variables can be measured over different time intervals: 1 minute, 5 minutes, and an hour, and 24 hours. Combining all three variables, the tool gives you a score to indicate how stable your internet connection really is. An Orb score of above 80 indicates a good connection. 70 to 80 means you have an okay connection, and if you get anything below that, you may have problems. If your score is under 80, the app suggests steps you can take to improve the performance of the network. The startup says that they're going to show descriptions of key issues and suggestions related to solving those issues. The Orb has apps for various platforms, so they're on just about everything from WRT, Docker, Steam Deck, Raspberry Pi, you name it. And they'll probably even be on more as time goes on. Even by the time this video, maybe they're on more devices. I don't know. The startup is also working on features that would let users set up Orb and share it with someone else to have them monitor your connection. Both users will receive notifications if the connection quality wavers. That's actually a very useful tool for network administrators. And I have things like that already built into my router that does similar things, but it's actually would be very useful to a lot of people. You could specifically load, I'm thinking you could specifically put this on, say, a server, and then it could monitor the connection specifically on that device. So you could tell, like, maybe your actual connection coming into maybe my router will be telling me my connection coming in is good, but maybe something else on my network is causing a problem with a specific device. So, that could be a good tool for that. Orb's currently free to use, and the company wants to keep it that way. He said he'd like to license the technology to enterprises and ISPs so that they can monitor and identify network issues with advanced alerts and analytics. The startup has so far raised $3.8 million in funding from a Sidekick venture, as well as independent investors. So there we go, guys. What do you think of this app? What do you think of this? Do you think this is useful? Do you think this will help you out in your internet connection problems? If you have an issue in your home or in your business, do you think this is the type of tool that would help? I think so. It's probably going to have some very useful features and probably continue to grow and give even more information and more information about how to fix particular issues you might have with a machine or with your network or internet connection, period. So yeah, you guys, let me know what you thought about this down below. Leave a comment, and hey, I'm not making any money. I'm not monetized on YouTube, so leave me a thumbs up, please, and go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you want more tech news like this. I'll see you in the next one. You guys all have a great day.